And I see all this discussion online with people saying that the college's degrees, they don't matter anymore, that the educational system is doomed, that the schools are failing the kids. Do you guys believe that at all? Perhaps you believe that some changes, they will come, right? With time, they will start turning the kids into entrepreneurs earlier, preparing them to the next years. My point is that I don't believe that. I believe that diplomas and schools and keep learning, as I said here tonight, it's very important. I still keep learning all the time, new things. Of course, the disciplines, the themes, the subjects, they change. And if you stuck in time and don't learn, don't keep learning, right? Retention, they want to keep the professionals and all, but they also want to keep the professionals for as long as they need it. So if there's a project for 6 months, be that professional, be detachable enough when advertising what you do so that you'll be more attractive to companies. Why? Because there's this new class of professionals coming now to this market, to the global international job market called millennials. They think differently. I'm 43 years old, but if there are millennials here in this room, perhaps you don't want the same things that I want. And if you compare these two, the generations, you will see, and the products, the markets, the companies, the businesses, they are all going to service and to be there for this class.